Okay, thank you for joining us at ATCG Solutions for another session of SAP BOBJ 1.0. Today we are going through Crystal Report. Please note we are on SAP BO 4.0 SP5. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. Here is our agenda: Introduction to Crystal Report, how to create Crystal Report, and hands-on try to create Crystal Report yourself. And I will show you the design environment, design tab areas, the field explorer, the report explorer, and finally previewing a report. So what is Crystal Report? Crystal Report is designed for pixel perfect formatted for reporting, but meant for static reporting with limited drill down. And it's integrated SAP and legacy data, and it's same as other BOBJ tools. We can also use the formulas, cross tabs, sub reports, and conditional formatting to help make sense of data and uncover important relationships that might otherwise be hidden. And also the Crystal Reports also supports geographic maps and graphs, communicate information visually. And finally, you can be published in a variety of formats, including Microsoft Word and Excel, email, and even over the web. That means a BI Launchpad. And for the Crystal Report, it supports both detailed and aggregated reporting from OLAP and relational databases. So how to create Crystal Report? The first, we have 3 steps to create a Crystal. Step 1, selecting data sources. In order to build a Crystal Report, you first need to connect to a data source. And if you choose a wizard, then it allows you to choose your data sources and connect to tables, queries, and OLAP cubes. If you choose to use a blank reports, it's automatically the database export opens automatically. And the step 2, linking relational tables. If your report contains data from 2 or more database tables, you will need to link the tables when creating your reports. And linking requires that you use a field that is common to use tables. Then you need to double click on the join. You can choose a type of join between the tables. Step 3, selecting database fields. You can click Control key and click on the field you need. Click the single arrow to move the fields to display area and click Finish. Then you can create the Crystal Report. So here is an example. The first, expand the database to view the tables and select the in this example we select the customer table from the spreadsheet and press a single arrow to the to move it to the selected table area in this area, and we use the single area to make the tables from this area to go this area. And step 4, move to the orders table to the selected tables area the same way. And the step 5 is we click next. And then if you have more than 2 tables, it requires you to linking your tables. And in this step, the linking of the tables happens automatically, so you don't need to worry about to make any changes in this step. And just click next. And then you, by pressing the Control key, click on the required field. In this area, you choose a customer name, city, region, order amount, order ID, and order date. You can choose a column and the rows of your crystal report, and click the single area, or you can just click this one to move the whole column and rows from this area, and click, and then click finish. So for now, let's try it yourself. Okay, so let's open the Crystal Reports 2011, and we can see this area, and we choose blank report, and it requires you to choose what you have. So the first thing, we choose create new connection and database views. So we go to the find database file, and we choose one spreadsheet, whatever. We choose this one to open, and we can see the our spreadsheet. In this table, we have 4 spreadsheet, and we choose sheet 1 and sheet 2. Then we go to the OK, and you can see it requires us to linking the different tables, because we have more than 2 tables, and it's automatically, so we just click OK. Okay, so in the field explorer, we will mention later, and we go to the we go to the sheet 1, and we choose product group and quantity. So let's preview, so we can see the details of the product and product group quantity. You can choose whatever you want to choose to which column, and you can also choose from the sheet 2. We will talk later this one. And then let's go back to our PowerPoint, and at that moment we can see the design and environment. In the design tab, you do the initial formatting, organize your objects, specify sorting, grouping, and totaling. And while working in the design tab, you manipulate representative or placeholders of objects, not the object themselves. So when you begin creating a report, Crystal Reports automatically creates 5 areas or sections in the design window. So let's see, we can, in the design tab, we can see the report header, page header, details, report footer, and page footer. So what is that? What is those? So in the design tab areas, report header is used for the report title and other header information, and the page header is generally used for information that you want to appear at the top of each page. So it appears every page, such as chapter names, document names, and also used to display column names on the report. In details is used for the body of the report and is printed once per record. And the report footer is used for information you want to appear only once at the end of the report. And the page footer is like a page header, contains a page number and any other information you want to appear on the bottom of every page. And the field explorer. The field explorer is used to insert, modify, or delete field on the design or preview tabs. You will see the field explorer after you have. We can see in the field explorer, we can choose the sheet 1 or sheet 2 or any other sheet, and we can choose the formula fields. We can we can right click new formula and name it. We will talk later. And also we can use a circle expression field and parameter fields and special fields. Okay, so the Field Explorer displays a train view of database fields and the special fields that you can add to your report. And in the Report Explorer, displays a tree view of the sections in your report and lists the report objects contained in each section. And you can click and directly work with the objects. The content of the Report Explorer represents the content of the report in a tree view. And within each section, the report's field and objects are listed. Any item you selected in the tree view will be selected in the report, both in Design tab or Preview tab. And finally, once you have placed the data fields on your report, you are ready to preview your design. The methods to switch to the preview window are: you can click the preview button, you can click the fresh button, and also you can click HTML preview button when published to the web. And also please remember, you have the same formatting capabilities in the preview tabs as you do in the design tab. It's totally same. So okay, so you can if you have installed your Crystal report, Crystal 2011, you can take exercise by yourself. Okay, please okay, if you have any questions, please find us at atcgsolutions.com or visit our blog. I'm Jeff Yang, Senior BOBJ BW Developer from ATCG Solutions. And okay, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.